Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today we're learning the root words for numbers in isiXhosa. Abuti, what is the root word for 1 in isiXhosa?
Nye.
Okay, and what is 2 in isiXhosa?
Bini.
And 3?
Tatu.
And what is 4?
Ne.
And 5?
Klano.
What is 6?
Tandatu.
And 7?
Sikrenke.
And 8?
Sibozo.
And 9?
Sitoba.
And the root word for 10?
Ishumi.
So, we have nye, bini, tatu, ne, klanu, tandatu, sikrenke, sibozo, sitoba, and ishumi. And now you know the root words for numbers in isiXhosa. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.